Hi, I'm Ursula from My German Family. Some of you have asked me where to look for their ancestors' birth, marriage, and death records, and it depends. If you watched my video 110, 80, 30, the magic formula of civil registry offices, you already know that records younger than 110 years for births, 80 years for marriages, and 30 years for deaths are kept at the civil registry office where the birth, marriage, or death took place. And note that this is not identical with the place of residence. It may, but if, for example, your ancestor died in a hospital and there is no hospital in the town where he lived, but in the nearest town, then the civil registry office in that town will will handle this. So this is where to look for the record. So if you know the place of birth, marriage, or death, and it's within the 110, 80, 30 period, you can send a request to the town's so-called Standesamt. Just Google that town, go to the website, and search for Standesamt. Sometimes the small towns share a Standesamt with another small town, and if you don't know exactly which town is in charge, just send your request and they will either forward it to the right place or they will get back to you and tell you that they're the wrong office and where to turn to. So if you go to their email address, and then you can just send your request. And it's important that, of course, you need to tell them who exactly you're looking for, and all the dates you have. And you also have to tell them about the relationship you have to that person, because sometimes you might not simply get it. It's only you have to be a direct descendant. You will not get any records for aunts and uncles and cousins and so on. So only for your direct ancestors, parents, grandparents, great-grandparents. Also, ask for the original photocopy. Not for a certificate, because if you get a certificate, it will not hold all the information the original entry does. So always good to ask for a photocopy. You will always get a certified copy, which is an official legal document, always. If you want to write in German, that's very much appreciated. You can use platforms like DeepL or ChatGPT, and nowadays they do really good translations, so try that one. In my next video, I will tell you how to find the archive where your ancestors' civil records were moved to after the 110, 80, 30 years. So subscribe so you don't miss it. See you then.